When will you be ready to retire? Or at least quit the hustle and grind culture? I'm Toffler, your financial wellness coach. I help women better understand their money and grow their wealth in a way that's aligned with their values and vision of the world, such as supporting social or environmental issues. If you watch my other videos of the tactical approach to building your financial plan and followed along, you're very close to figuring out when you can retire. First, multiply your monthly expenses by 12 to get your yearly expenses, which in this case would be, in our example, would be $60,000. Then multiply that number by 25. If you've heard of the 25x rule in personal finance, that's it. You need to have 25 times your annual expenses invested to be able to retire. So to figure out how far off, you have a couple more simple calculations. Since you already calculated your total assets and liabilities in one of the previous videos, now figure out your net assets by subtracting your liabilities from assets, so also known as your current net worth. So you take your retirement ready number of 1.5 million, you subtract your current net worth. What's left is how much you still need to accumulate before you can say F you to your working life forever. If you want to know how long that'll take in months or years, it's a really complicated equation. But just an example. Continuing on, let's say our retirement ready number was 1.5 million. And let's say our current net worth is 300,000. Our spending per month is 5,000, which we already talked about. Let's say if we contribute an additional $500 a month, then I'm just using a compound annual growth rate of 6%. It's a decent to lowish return on the stock market. You're likely to get more. Then your time to piece out of work is about 9.5 years. So this is just an example. You can find a calculator online to help you do this with your own numbers because it's really complicated math. But that gives you an idea of if you were in this financial situation, how long it would take.